Consider buying a piece of digital artwork on the internet for a reasonable price. You'll receive a one-of-a-kind digital token proving your ownership of the acquired artwork. How would you feel if you were given ownership? Will you not be overjoyed? Yes, because this would be a new experience for you. Because of NFTs, you can now take advantage of this chance. The creation of NFTs was an extraordinary idea. Kevin McCoy and Anil Dash invented non-fungible tokens, or NFTs, in May of 2014. The fundamental reason for its creation was to safeguard artists. It has built an online marketplace for selling and buying digital assets, ranging from art and music to tacos and toilet paper, where artists may earn a lot of money for their one-of-a-kind works. Hello, and welcome back to The Growth Mindset. This video is for you if you're new to NFTs or want to learn more about this exciting technology. So please sit back, relax, and let's dive in to the world of NFTs. What is NFT and why is it important to know about it? NFT is an abbreviation for non-fungible token. A non-fungible token is a non-transferable data unit on a blockchain or digital ledger. Because of its distinct features, NFT cannot be interchanged with any other substance or item. NFTs differ from most cryptocurrencies, which are fungible, such as Bitcoin, Litecoin, and Bitcoin Cash. In economics, only fungible assets can be exchanged. For example, a note worth 200 rupees can be exchanged for two notes worth 100 rupees, or two notes with 100 rupees can be exchanged for a single note worth 200 rupees. The value of both units stays the same after each change. In the case of NFTs, each token is uniquely identifiable, making it non-fungible. The Taj Mahal, India Gate, video footage of cricketer Yuvraj Singh smashing 6 sixes in the 2007 T20 World Cup, a stunning catch by Kapil Dev in the 1983 ODI final, and the Mona Lisa painting are all examples of non-fungible assets. Anyone can download such priceless video snippets from the internet, take photos of them, or print them off, but the original item is unique worldwide. NFTs are a type of digital asset in the digital world. NFTs represent real-world elements such as music, art, in-game items, and films. With the introduction of NFT, it is now feasible to buy and trade real-world goods online. Buying and selling operations with cryptocurrency are common. Because there is no fungible accessible to replace it, NFT issues a digital token to assert ownership. They are typically encoded using the same underlying software as many cryptos. You would be amazed to know that over $147 million has been spent on NFTs since November 2017. That is a fascinating figure. One famous example of NFT is CryptoPunks, which allows you to purchase and sell more than 10,000 collectibles with evidence of ownership. The CryptoPunks are 10,000 randomly generated characters that one individual can only hold on the Ethereum network. Initially, CryptoPunks could be claimed for free using an Ethereum wallet, but the real fact is that all 10,000 were quickly claimed. The other option is to buy it from someone through the blockchain decentralized marketplaces. A blockchain marketplace allows users to sell products and services transparently and receive feedback. Unlike traditional markets that sometimes lack transparency for vendors, sales algorithms, requirements, and seller analytics are not publicly available. The best part is that the data cannot be erased or altered because it is immutable. Additionally, you can use this market to acquire, bid on, and offer punks for sale. It is evident that once any digital material, such as films, images, artwork, and so on, are freely available on the internet, anyone can see or download it without spending a single penny. The question then becomes, why do people spend millions of dollars on items they can easily screenshot or download? The fundamental reason for the interest is the desire to acquire digital artwork, and NFT allows customers to own the original digital object. Essentially, the artwork is tokenized to establish a certificate of ownership which you can buy or sell. It even includes a built-in authentication as proof of ownership. To clarify, a few examples of NFTs include digital collectibles, domain names, games, essays, and sneakers in the fashion line. What are the basic differences between NFT and cryptocurrency? The only thing NFT has in common with cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin or Ethereum is that it's built using the same programming. Cryptocurrencies and paper money are both fungible assets. That is, they're both tradable or exchangeable one for another. Their values are the same. This means that the value of $1 is the same as the value of another. Similarly, the value of one Bitcoin is always the same as the value of another. Crypto's fungibility makes it a reliable source for blockchain transactions. However, NFTs are not the same as real money or cryptocurrencies. Because each has a digital signature, they are non-fungible and cannot be swapped for or equal to one another. For example, because both are NFTs and unique, one NBA top shot clip is not necessarily equal to another NBA shot clip. We hope this clarifies the concept. How does NFT work? After you've figured out what an NFT is, you should focus on knowing how it operates. So far, you would have grasped that non-fungible tokens, NFTs, are used to represent digital assets or goods. Every accessible NFT has a unique digital signature. It has been observed that most NFTs are purchased using cryptocurrencies such as Ether or dollars. All transactions recorded for NFTs are stored in the blockchain. So, are you guys following through? We hope the points are clear. Moving on. Digital things available on the internet, such as films, photos, text, music, and even tweets, can be transformed into NFTs via a unique process. But how? Well, the tokenization of digitally available artwork and other assets is now feasible for all creators. This is accomplished by producing a unique digital certificate and signature of ownership, thereby creating the NFT, which can be sold digitally. Assume you have a one-of-a-kind painting you want to sell to make money. Then proceed according to the standard procedure. In that instance, the picture is given to the person who made the highest offer, and the original artist receives the money. The non-fungible token serves a similar purpose. The only difference is that it's done digitally, which means that the online bidding is done on the NFT's platform for buying and selling, with the highest bidder winning the race. What makes NFT unique? When you buy any GIF, painting, video clip, or other online NFT item, you do not receive it in tangible form. Instead, you're issued a unique digital token known as an NFT token. This token validates your digital possession of that object. This type of non-fusible token receives a valid ownership certificate. When someone sells an object in this category along with a certificate of ownership, all rights to that item are transferred to the new owner. This token has been used for online gaming, crypto art, and other purposes for some time. Do you know that the Ethereum blockchain is the primary technology used for NFT trading? The unique feature of this technology is that once a digital entry is created, it cannot be deleted. Well, that's all, guys. We hope you have a better understanding of what NFTs are and how they're being used in the digital world. From art to collectibles, NFTs are revolutionizing how we think about ownership and authenticity. Hey guys, remember to leave your thoughts and questions in the comments below. As always, don't forget to like and share this video with your friends and family, and subscribe to The Growth Mindset. We appreciate your support and look forward to bringing you more informative content. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.